waterfall. Jessica and I are at the waterfall. Robin! Robin! Look how gorgeous all of this is. Little stream. Jessica fell in the mud. There's a whole bunch of people here. This is so gorgeous. I can't. It's like so breathtaking. Don't fall in the mud again, please. Oh my God. I can't even. Oh my God. Everybody's so excited to see this. It's so beautiful. Oh. There's Jessica by the waterfall. Absolutely amazing. We can't, like, seriously, we are so happy. This is like our Robin Hood adventure. Oh my God. I know, they came from, you can't see it, I'm gonna take pictures, but she came from over there. He was swimming over here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.